friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through Google Contacts. Google Contacts is a contact management service that Google has an online address book to store and organize contact information. So why do you need to know about Google Contacts? Because if you lose your phone, you'll be having your contacts in your Google account, so that when you log in, you have all your contacts automatically there. So I'll open my Google Chrome, and then I open this my account. Then this is internet, so it will take some time. You just have to be a little patient as it loads in. So it's bringing some. Just have to be a little patient with network and so you come to Google Apps, you tap, first close this, open Google Apps, and then you scroll to search for contacts, which is here. You open contacts, so it's loading. Just have to be a little patient because my network is, but you appreciate it.
Subscribers have decreased. Yours to 114. I have to look for subscribers again.
It's taking some time. But yeah, finally it has come. So these are the contacts that I saved in my Google. So these are the Google contacts that I have, which is here. Now the frequent are the contacts that you normally use, like the number that you normally reach out to that are in Google. My network is a bit poor, but supposed to bring them. The recent, the frequently used. So this is the number that frequently use. Then we have other contacts. These are the rest of the contacts that you have and in your Google contacts. They are also here. Then we have fix and manage. This is so fix and match. This one is used to delete contacts that are duplicates. And when you delete them, they will come to trash here, and trash will show you the reason why you deleted it and the date when you deleted it. Then we have imports. And this one, when you import your documents from, like, say, Microsoft Office, like PowerPoint and Excel, and you mark many documents, they'll come to your Google and then they'll arrange themselves. They'll save themselves differently. Then we have the labels. This one is like group if it was WhatsApp. So this one, when I write message to the labels like this one, the message will go to all the numbers of the contacts that I've saved under labels. So the same message will reach out to all of them. So this is briefly what I can take you through about Google Contacts. Hope you've learned something. Thank you for keeping up with me. Till then, have a good time.